guys, welcome to another episode. Today we're going to be opening pack number 2 for TopShot Base Set Series 17 release. This is they're doing during their stress test. Managed to get lucky and get a pack, so let's take a look at what we got and open this up. Wow, that was a pretty good opening. I'm really happy to get Zion Williamson. He's a second-year player, former #1 pick from last year in 2020. Also good to have Pascal Siakam from Toronto Raptors. He's an all-star player, very important piece of their championship puzzle. And then also a pretty low number, Bismack Biyombo. So pretty happy about the base set opening. Stay tuned for more openings. Thank you for checking out my video. If you like this video, check out this one right here on the left and this one on the right. Thank you for watching What Stanley Said. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe.